Have a corrupt PST and wondering how to repair it? This tutorial is going to help you in repairing a corrupt PST in the easiest way possible. We are demonstrating how to repair PST file with Recoveryfix for Outlook. Download software from the website and run it after a successful installation. Once you open the software, you will see that there are two modes of recovery, standard and advanced mode. We suggest using standard mode if the file has minor corruption only, but if the corruption is severe and you need deep scanning, go for the advanced mode. Here, we are going for the standard recovery mode. Click on the Browse button, select the corrupt PST file, and click on Next. In this step, you will have all the mailbox items listed on the left. Click on them to have the preview of the content inside the folders. Here, you can view every item with all the details. Now, select the desired folders you want to save, or select all of them all together, and click on the Save button to proceed. At this stage, you can apply filters. First of all, select if you want to save the recovered file in Outlook or Outlook Express. If you choose Outlook, you get to select from two formats, PST and MSG. If you go for Outlook Express, you get to select between two formats, DBX, OEStore, and EML. Choose the options wisely, and as per your requirement. Now, provide a saving destination to the file by clicking on the Browse button. Next choice you need to make is whether you want to split the file or not. To split your output PST file, after a limit, you can select from the listed options in the drop-down. Next, you need to decide whether you want to remove the top of the personal folder hierarchy. Also, you can attach a prefix to the recovered file, for example, recovered. It will help you to find and recognize file easily. Now, click on OK. After clicking on OK, the saving process will start. Wait for it, and click on OK once completed. You can download the tool and get more details from the given link. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.